Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Iba Cosmetics Must Have Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint. Now I got introduced to these babies from Nidhi the Trend Diaries. She had posted a video and I was like blown away from whatever swatch she had done, and I was like, I have to get my hands on these. So they are available in 5 different shades. I got 2 out of them, Forever Nude and Timeless Mocha. Now these 2 shades, I have been trying them for a while right now. I cannot wait to share my observations on these babies. So without any further ado, let's get started. These tints retail for 499 rupees for 8 grams of product, which I think is a very great deal. 8 grams is a huge quantity for 499 rupees. I think you can grab them, and these are mostly on discount for 399 rupees on Amazon and as well as on Nykaa, so you can grab them then as well. Even 399 is a great deal for these tints. Let me show you the packaging of the product. It says Iba Must Have Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint. The shade name is mentioned on the bottle as well. Now there is a barcode here. Iba Must Have Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint. The shade name, vegan and cruelty free, 100% natural, and the batch number is mentioned. The manufacturing date, the expiry date of the product is also mentioned, and the manufacturing date says February 2022 and expiry date says January 2024. So the shelf life of the product is 3 years, which is I think a good thing. And the price is mentioned as 499. The net weight is mentioned as 8 gram, and they have mentioned a couple of ingredients: rosehip oil, apricot kernel oil, non-toxic mineral colors, vitamin E, and the ingredients of the product and what makes it a must-have: 2-in-1 multitasker for everyday no makeup minimal look, weightless blendable creamy matte texture, pigmented and long wearing formula for a natural looking sheer finish, hydrates and protects while imparting gorgeous color. Let me show you the inner packaging of the product. It is a glossy black packaging, which is pretty simple. They have just mentioned Iba Must Have Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint, and the bottom of the packaging contains the manufactured by Loreal Private Limited, Surat, and the ml number, the batch number, and the expiry date is not mentioned here. It says C on carton. So even in 3 years I'll be able to finish these tints because they are so amazing. Now let me show you the texture of this product. It is creamy, moussey, beautiful, dewy in texture. I mean, it is so soft to touch and so soft to apply. I cannot even begin to tell you. Now about the smell of the product. It smells like a bakery. It's going to throw you those cakes and those bread bakery sort of smell. So I wore this in the morning yesterday and I had to go out. I had to step out for a movie and a little bit of shopping and dinner and all of that. I had applied this in the morning and I came back home at about 9 at night and it was intact for the entire 12 hours. The blush was so soft. It looked so dewy on my skin. It looked so good. It did not budge at all whatsoever. Even it sank into my skin like natural flush, and it did not look like I have applied blush. And even now I'm wearing the shade Forever Nude. I'm going to show you the swatches later on in this video and you can see how naturally flushed it looks. So right now I'm going to tell you a few pointers that I noticed about these tints. Moussey buttery formula, so soft I cannot begin to describe. Blends like a dream on cheek and lips, and believe me, you will see. Gives a naturally dewy and flushed look on your cheeks, and it is dewy. It's not going to give you a matte finish. It will give you that natural glow from within wala thing. Lasts for more than 8+ hours, even if you're in the daytime, even if you're outside, you're out in the sun, this is going to last you the whole day. And the most important point, this is very affordable. We know how expensive cream blushes can be, and this one has to be the perfect one. Now let's see the swatches of these tints. favorite one from both of them has to be Forever Nude because it's a gorgeous mauve shade. It looks so beautiful, so stunning. If you want to get one, just get the Forever Nude shade, and this is going to give you that naturally flushed finish on your cheeks, on your face, and you're gonna look so fresh. I highly recommend them. Also, you can easily remove these with micellar water or baby wipes, or even with your normal cleanser is going to come off. So that's all for my short little review on EBA Must Have Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give my video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay safe, take care.